Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create any custom paper sizes in your Epson printer here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. You can also press Windows and I key together in your keyboard, and with that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So once the best match would appear in this window, you can now click on open to proceed. Once you are being navigated here at the settings window, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see there Bluetooth and devices next to system in my case. So tap on it, and here you need to scroll down in the list and go with printers and scanners, which contains the preferences and the troubleshoot. So tap on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see all of the list of the Epson printer that you have installed in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed with the Epson device that you'd like to change or that you'd like to customize the paper size with. In my case, I'll be selecting my Epson L120 series. Once you're done, you need to scroll down and locate for this option called Printing Preferences. Okay? Click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up this small window which contains the main, more options, and the maintenance. In our case, we'll be proceeding with the main, and under the main, you would be able to see an option called document size, which what we are looking for. So click on this down arrow, and it will show you all of the available sizes that you can set with, either A4 or letter, which contains the 8.5 by 11 inch, the legal, which contains the 8.5 by 14 inch, and more. And since we'll be customizing our paper size, then we need to proceed with this called user defined. So click on that option, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see this user defined paper size, where here you can change the paper size name. So we'd like to set our paper size, for example, by 10 by 20. So all you need to do is you need to name that 10 by 20. Okay, make sure that the width is less than the height. Okay, once you're done, you need to proceed with the paper width, and before that you need to set the unit in 2" first. Once you have set the inched one, you can now proceed on typing the paper width. So since we'll be setting it into 10 and the paper height into 20. Okay, so by that you can now proceed on the clicking of saved. Okay, so let me just rename that into 9. Okay, 9 by 20. Okay, so that's just good. Again, make sure that the width is smaller than the height. Okay, so as you can see, 9 by 20. Okay, so that doesn't mean that 8.50 is not 9. If we will round it off, it will be 9. Okay, it will, again, if you will round off the 8.50, it will be 9. That's why I'm setting here the paper size 9 by 20. So don't be confused by that. In your case, you can set the paper with any number that you'd like, as well as the paper height. Once you are satisfied with the new custom paper size that you have set, you can now click on saved. Okay, and click on OK to continue. The moment you do that, you can now proceed with the document size. Click on this down arrow, and there you would be able to see the new paper size that you have created with 9 by 20. You can select it as your new paper size. Once you're done, you can now click on OK to continue. Okay, so the next time that you would like to print your document, you can choose that specific paper size that you have created under that window that we have opened. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day, everyone.